Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy new coins in KuCoin. First, ensure your KuCoin account is set up and verified for secure transactions. Next, you'll need to fund your account. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Once funded, head over to the Markets section. This is where you'll discover all the available trading pairs and new coin listings. To find the newest additions, look for a New Listings filter or section within the Markets tab. Before buying, always research the coin thoroughly. Dive into its white paper, understand its technology, and check community discussions. This helps you grasp its utility and potential for growth. Knowing these details is crucial for making informed investment decisions in the fast-paced crypto world. Once you've chosen a new coin, select its trading pair, for example, the new coin versus UST. You'll then decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the amount of the new coin you wish to purchase, review all the details, and then confirm your buy order. After your purchase, regularly monitor your new coin's performance within your KuCoin portfolio. It's wise to consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your investment from significant price drops. This helps manage risk and secure potential gains. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the video description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.